Welcome to my channel. I'm going to replace a broken door handle on a Subaru Brumby. This is an 89 model. To get the door handle off, you have to take the upper part of the door liner off. The lower half you don't have to worry about. Just need inside the section up in there. Large Phillips head. 2 screws in here. One in that side. And one in this side. Small Phillips head. Single screw there. This has clips. Clips are just at the back there. They clip onto the axle that sits through there. Now the winder handle, it's a bit easier if you have the window all the way down for slipping the door liner up. This is a tool for getting the clip off from behind the winder handles. These ones can get stuck, so a small screwdriver can get them when they're stuck. Slip it in there. Comes off just like that. How that works is your clip sits there like that, and there's a recess in the shaft just behind the spline. That's where that clip sits. And when you use this tool, pushes the clip out like that. As you can see, that's one I've had for a lot of years. That's had a lot of use, that one. You can use a flat bladed screwdriver for doing this part, but there are 2 clips on each side. One there, the other one's just there. Like that. The other 2 on this side. Lift it out away from your inside door handle, then push it up. There are the clips on the inside. They go into the holes. Now with the top of the door off, you can see the 2 nuts you need to get into here, and there is also a clip that needs undoing. At this point I can show you another thing that could be a problem. If you get slop on your inside handle here, the slop had got so bad on this one that it wouldn't open the door from the inside. When you pull the handle, you can see it moving here. It's a large Phillips head screw here. Loosen that, then pull that way on this one and push that way on this one, bringing them 2 together like that, and then hold them in place, tighten that screw back up, and it takes the slop out of that. so then you can open the door again from the inside. That happened in a time that was inconvenient to video, so I just fixed it. But now that door handle's broken, I'm back inside the door again. Don't know if anyone's noticed, but I have a spider hiding underneath there. Now to move the camera, get a better look in here. These nuts are a 10mm. I'm just using an extension to get in there a bit easier. Try not to drop the nuts, or then you will have to take the bottom of the door off. Just holding the nut in there like that is enough to stop that falling out. Now there's a little clip. Sometimes you can get it with your fingers, other times you need a little screwdriver to just hold it there. See if I can get it with my fingers. It's a bit hard to see on camera. I'll show you what the clip's like when I get it out, so you have an idea of what it actually looks like. Well, managed to get that undone. Now with a bit of wiggle in, you should be able to work that handle out. Don't lose this piece. Handle's out. That's where this handle broke off. That's that clip. Hold that up like that. That goes in there, and the clip comes down like that, and it stops it falling out. So to get it out, you lift that up and push on that. Can be fiddly at times, other times it just comes out. That's for a right hand side, that's for a left hand side. But other than where that clip is, they're universal. So if you can only get the opposite side to what you need, you just put that clip in the opposite side. So you push the ends of the clip together, wiggle it and twist it, and they come out. Like that. Then put it in the opposite side. And now they're both on the same side. Now to put the replacement in. Don't forget to put this piece in. There's just a hole that sits in. The The nuts are not done up on the handle yet, just so if I need to move it around a bit I can, to get that clip back into place. The clip's back in, put the nuts back on. Tighten them. Before putting the top of the door back on. Make sure it works. Might as well let that spider out while I'm here. Oh, it's dead anyway. You need to hook this piece over the top. Hold the bottom out a bit so you can come down over that handle, just like that. Get them clips to go back in. Window winder back on, making sure that clip is sitting in there properly. Need to close that clip a little bit. Clip just sits inside there a little bit, just enough to sit in that recessed part. It's got that. Put that back on, lining up them two clips. Put that screw back in. With this, you have the screws sitting out like that, and you can line them up with the holes. And they're already lined up. And just tighten them. And you should be right to go again. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.